In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Stripe. Whether you're a business owner trying to streamline your billing process, or you're simply managing personal expenses, updating your payment methods can be a crucial task. So let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you need to head over to the Stripe website. Simply open your web browser and type in stripe.com, then hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner. Click on this sign in button. If you're not already familiar with Stripe, it's a powerful online payment processing platform known for its ease of use and seamless integrations. Now you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you input these details carefully to avoid any issues logging in. Once you're ready, click on the sign in button again, and this will take you to your Stripe dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center where you can manage your transactions, view your financial data, and adjust your payment settings. Next, navigate to your homepage, which is typically the default view upon logging in. From here, you'll want to find your way to the settings. Depending on your access permissions within the platform, you might see this option on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Within the settings, look for product settings, and under that category, click on payments. This is where you can configure your payments set up to your liking. Once in the payment section, you will see an option that says payment methods. Click on it and you'll be able to view all the various payment options that Stripe supports. Here you can manage and adjust which payment methods are available to you and your customers. Scroll down the list of available payment methods until you find cards and wallets. This is particularly useful if you or your customers prefer paying with credit cards or digital wallets. You can choose to turn them on or off, depending on what suits your needs. Simply toggle the switch next to each payment method to activate or deactivate it. It's important to realize that managing your payment methods can directly impact your revenue flow and customer satisfaction. Make sure to keep these options updated and aligned with your business goals. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your payment methods on Stripe. Always remember that keeping an eye on your payment settings can greatly influence how smoothly your transactions are processed. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below. We're here to make navigating platforms like Stripe as easy as possible for you. Until next time, happy processing.